I'm bringing the idea of work done. It's possible. Okay, we'll start this. So there's a wall. So there's a ball. So the ball is a sphere moving with a velocity v, and this one, if the mass of the ball is in front, the net work done by the ball on the ball during collision. So we know after collision what will happen. The ball will rebound, say with velocity v1. What will happen to velocity of the ball? Actually, I think we have discussed this. Will remain same as it is. So let's calculate the speed of this ball. So what is the best thing which is going to help us? The quotient of restitution. Anything directed towards right, let it be positive. So E is equal to velocity of the ball plus u minus that of the ball plus v1 minus v that of the ball plus u. Can you remember this? Substitute the method. So it is like a v2 dash minus v1 dash by, so that this you call v2. This one, and this will be u2, and this will be u1. So what is the formula? Now this is very important. At many places, it's going to help us a lot. Now let's write it. The formula is like this, no? v2 bar minus v1 bar, u1 bar minus u. That negative sign I adjusted. It should be v1 minus v2 like that. Negative sign we adjusted. So what is v2? Velocity of the ball plus u. That of the ball plus v1. u1 minus v. u2 will be plus u. This should be equal to 1. So this should be v plus u should be equal to v1 minus u. So what is v1 is equal to v plus 2u. This is the speed of the ball after collision. What is work done by the ball? The change in kinetic energy of the ball itself is work done. So work done by the ball on ball. That should be equal to change in kinetic energy of the ball. v1 square minus u2 square. v1 will be v plus 2u whole square minus u square. v square 4u square plus 4uv minus u square. Correct, no? Expansion v square.
Sir, that's not you, sir. V.
Yes, sir, it is V.
This is v, no? Okay, this one, yeah, symbol. Yeah. So these two will get cancelled. So this will be m by 2. 4u square, 4uv. So 2u can bring outside. So mu is equal to 4u we can bring it. 2mu will come. Check, this should be the answer.
Yes, sir.
So always stick on to the basics, work done, change in kinetic energy. So don't go for thinking like this. I'll calculate the force, then I'll calculate the displacement, force into displacement. Check, is it possible all that too in that limited time? So this formula is very important, this one. Whenever wall comes, no, immediately we should take help of quotient, or whenever any collision problem comes, no, do take help of the quotient of institution idea.
Sir,
Yeah, ma.
sir, here the velocity of wall before and after the collision will be different, sir.
Well, no, I wrote equal to u only. That symbols I changed it so that we can substitute easily. Look at u only.
Okay, sir.
Okay, ma.